Hello, my dear students. Welcome in our today's lecture. In last lecture, we had started the new chapter, that is the amine. In that, we had completed the meaning of amine and its classification. So we know that amines are the alkyl or aryl derivative of ammonia, or the compounds obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atom from the ammonia by same number of alkyl or aryl group are called as ammonia. Now in its classification we know that on the basis of number of alkyl group, amines are classified into three types: primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Primary amines are monoalkyl or monoaryl derivative of ammonia. Secondary amines are the dialkyl or diaryl derivative of ammonia, and tertiary amines are the trialkyl or triaryl derivative of ammonia. Okay, now today we will study nomenclature of amine. आज बेटा हम स्टडी करेंगे nomenclature of amine. Nomenclature means process of naming. अब बेटा amines को नाम देना है, नेम देना है. So we know that there are the two systems used for nomenclature. One is the common name system, another one is an IUPAC system. So common name system, according to common name system, amines, primary amines are called as alkyl amine. We know that primary amine contain the one alkyl group, therefore it is called alkyl amine. Secondary amines are called डायल्काइल अमाइन. सेकेंडरी अमाइन को बोलते हैं बेटा डायल्काइल अमाइन, एज इट कंटेन दी टू अल्काइल ग्रुप. एंड टर्शियरी अमाइंस आर कॉल्ड ट्राई अल्काइल अमाइन. टर्शियरी अमाइन को बोलेंगे ट्राई अल्काइल अमाइन ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ थ्री अल्काइल ग्रुप. सो प्राइमरी अमाइन कंटेन वन अल्काइल ग्रुप, therefore commonly it is called alkyl amine. Secondary amine contain the two alkyl group, therefore it is called second dialkyl amine. And tertiary amine contain the three alkyl group, therefore it is called trialkyl amine. Along with position like an iso, secondary, tertiary and neo. साथ में बेटा पोजीशन भी लगाना है, एन आइसो, सेकेंडरी, टर्शियरी एंड नियो. हाउ दिस पोजीशन इज गिवन वी नो वेरी वेल, राइट. एंड इफ अल्काइल ग्रुप्स आर डिसिमिलर, अगर बेटा सेकेंडरी और टर्शियरी अमाइन में अल्काइल ग्रुप बेटा डिसिमिलर है, देन नेम इज गिवन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. तो बेटा नाम लिखेंगे अपन किस बेसिस पर से, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर पे से. डोंट वरी, अभी तो बेटा ये सिर्फ बता रहा हूं, अभी हमको जब एग्जाम्पल स्टडी करेंगे हम ऑटोमेटिकली इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा. सो इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, इन कॉमन नेम सिस्टम प्राइमरी अमाइंस आर कॉल्ड अल्काइल अमाइन, सेकेंडरी अमाइंस आर कॉल्ड डायल्काइल अमाइन, and tertiary amines are called trialkyl amine. Now according to IUPAC name, now IUPAC, we know that full form of IUPAC. IUPAC, it is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So according to IUPAC name, primary amines are called alkanamine. Alkanamine or aminoalkane. the last letter E from the name of alkane are replaced by amine. तो बेटे रूल्स अपने वही है जो अपन स्टार्टिंग से यूज कर रहे हैं. सब समझाता हूं रूल्स के साथ, पहले समझ लो बेटा. तो बेटा अल्केन के नाम का लास्ट लेटर ई निकालना है और बेटा उसके आगे लगाना है अमाइन. सो लास्ट लेटर ई फ्रॉम द नेम ऑफ अल्केन is replaced by amine, so it is called alkanamine. alkanamine, alkanamine और अमाइनो अल्केन, alkanamine और अमाइनो अल्केन. And position of amino group is given between the alkane and amine. अमाइनो ग्रुप की पोजीशन बेटा लिखना है कहां पर, अल्केन और अमाइन के बीच में. इफ अमाइनो ग्रुप प्रेजेंट ऑन फर्स्ट कार्बन देन इट इज अल्केन 1 अमाइन. इफ प्रेजेंट ऑन सेकेंड कार्बन देन इट इज अल्केन 2 अमाइन. इफ प्रेजेंट ऑन थर्ड कार्बन देन इट इज अल्केन 3 अमाइन एंड सो ऑन. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू IUPAC नेम, amines are called alkanamine or amino alkane. Now see these example. CH3 single bond CH CH3, single bond CH2, single bond NH2. CH3 single bond CH CH3, single bond CH2, single bond NH2. Now common name of this amine is isobutyl amine. This much isobutyl, इतना है बेटा isobutyl, isobutane to isobutyl and NH2 means amine, so isobutyl amine. It is the common name. We know that common names are not accepted at international level. Common name बेटा international level के ऊपर accepted नहीं है. Now we will give the IUPAC name. Now first rule, select the continuous and longest chain of the carbon along with amino group. बेटा कार्बन की कंटिन्यूअस और लॉन्गेस्ट चेन सेलेक्ट करो अमाइनो ग्रुप के साथ. Here it is the longest chain containing 3 carbon and amino group, right? Now this CH3 will be side chain, branch or substitution. Second rule, suppose this compound as an derivative of alkane. There is no need of supposition because we know that according to definition amines are made from the alkane. बेटा क्योंकि बेटा साथ में अल्कल ग्रुप लगा रहे मतलब बेटा उसमें अल्केन तो है. Therefore, there is no need to suppose. Now, third rule, give the numbering to selected chain. Start from one end nearest to amino group. जो चेन बेटा हमने सेलेक्ट करे उसको बेटा नंबरिंग देना है. स्टार्ट कहाँ करना है, कोई भी एक साइड से, और वो साइड बेटा अमाइनो ग्रुप से नियरेस्ट. तो बेटा नंबरिंग इज गिवन फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड. It is the first carbon, it is the second carbon, it is the third carbon. Okay? Any difficulty up to here? चलिए fourth rule, give the proper position to the side chain if any present. अगर बेटा कोई साइड चेन है तो उसको प्रॉपर पोजीशन देना है. So CH3 it is the side chain, it is attached on second carbon. So second carbon it is the position of side chain. Now give the IUPAC name as alkane to alkanamine. So main chain contain total 3 carbon. Main chain में बेटा total 3 carbon है. Alkane containing 3 carbon is called propane. Propane से बेटा E निकालो, amine लगाओ. So it is propanamine. Propanamine. Amino group present on first carbon. Therefore main chain propane 1 amine. propane 1 amine. What this 1 indicate? Position of amino group. अब बेटा this methyl attach on second carbon, therefore its complete IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane 1 amine. या बेटा इसको और बोल सकते हैं हम 2-methyl amino propane, 2-methyl 1 amino propane. So in this way IUPAC names are given to प्राइमरी अमाइन. इस तरह बेटा IUPAC नेम देते किसको? प्राइमरी अमाइन को. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू IUPAC नेम, amines are called as alkane amine. The last letter E from the name of alkane is replaced by amine and position of amino group is given in between the alkane and amine. Okay? और बेटा अल्केन अमाइन नहीं बोलना है तो अमाइनो अल्केन. नाउ वी विल सी द डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्राइमरी अमाइन, देयर कॉमन नेम एंड IUPAC नेम. मेक द टेबल. राइट, फर्स्ट कॉलम स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अमाइन, सेकेंड कॉलम देयर कॉमन नेम, थर्ड कॉलम IUPAC नेम. नाउ फर्स्ट एग्जांपल CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड NH2. CH3 single bond NH2. Its common name methylamine. CH3 means methyl. NH2 is there, therefore amine. So it is methylamine. Okay. Now IUPAC name. Methylamine contain 1 carbon. Alkane containing 1 carbon is called methane. E is replaced by amine. Therefore it is methanamine. methanamine, methanamine, or it is aminomethane. Methanamine or aminomethane. So CH3NH2, common name methylamine, IUPAC name methanamine or aminomethane. Second example CH3 single bond CH2 single bond NH2. CH3 CH2, it is ethyl. NH2 means amine, so it is ethyl amine. Now IUPAC name, it contains the 2 carbon. Alkane containing 2 carbon is called ethane. E is replaced by amine, so it is ethanamine. ETHANAMINE, ethanamine, or it is aminoethane. Ethanamine or aminoethane. Third example CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. It is N-propyl, chain is normal, therefore it is N-propyl. NH2 group is there, therefore it is amine. So common name is N-propyl amine. N-propyl amine. Now its IUPAC name. मेन चेन कंटेन टोटल 3 कार्बन. मेन चेन में बेटा टोटल 3 कार्बन है. इट इज द फर्स्ट कार्बन, it is the second carbon, it is the third carbon. So alkane containing 3 carbon, propane. E is replaced by amine, so it is propanamine. Amino group present on first carbon, therefore it is propane 1 amine or 1 amino propane. Propane 1 amine or 1 amino propane. So amine containing 1 carbon called methanamine or aminomethane. Amine containing 2 carbon, ethanamine or aminoethane. Amine containing 3 carbon, it is propane 1 amine or 1 amino propane. Next example, CH3 single bond CH NH2 single bond CH3. CH3 single bond CH NH2 single bond CH3. It is isopropylamine. 3 कार्बन है बेटा, प्रोपाइल. NH2 attach on second carbon having similar group, therefore it is isopropylamine. Now IUPAC name. Main chain contain total 3 carbon. Write amino group attach on second carbon. अमाइनो ग्रुप बेटा अटैच है कहां पर? सेकेंड कार्बन. अल्केन कंटेनिंग 3 कार्बन, प्रोपेन. E is replaced by amine, so propanamine. Amino group present on second carbon, therefore it is propane 2-amine or 2-aminopropane. What is the difference between this propane 1-amine and propane 2-amine? Yes, position of amino group. Their molecular formula is same, but position of amino group is different. Therefore, they are position isomers of each other. इसलिए बेटा ये दोनों बेटा एक दूसरे के पोजीशन आइसोमर्स. चले नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond NH2. 4 carbons are there, therefore it is N-butyl amine. Why position N is given? Because chain is normal. Now IUPAC name. Main chain contain total 4 carbon. Amino group attach on first carbon. It is the first, second, third and fourth carbon. Now alkane containing 4 carbon called butane. E is replaced by amine, so butanamine. Amino group attach on first carbon, therefore it is butane 1-amine or 1-aminobutane. Butane 1-amine or 1-aminobutane. Okay. Next example. CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH NH2 single bond CH3. CH3 CH2 single bond CH NH2 single bond CH3. It is secondary butyl amine. 4 carbons are there, therefore butyl. NH2 is there, therefore amine. NH2 attach on secondary carbon having different group, therefore secondary butyl amine. Now IUPAC name. Main chain contain total 4 carbon. Amino group attach on second carbon. There is no side chain branch or substitution. थोड़ा मेन चेन में 4 कार्बन, ब्यूटेन. E replaced by amine, butanamine. NH2 attach on second carbon, therefore IUPAC name is butane 2-amine. Butane 2-amine or 2-aminobutane. So it is methanamine, it is ethanamine, it is propane 1-amine, it is propane 2-amine, it is butane 1-amine, it is butane 2-amine. Now this butane 1-amine and butane 2-amine are also position isomers of each other. ये भी बेटा एक दूसरे के क्या है बेटा? पोजीशन आइसोमर्स. बिकॉज देयर मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज सेम बट पोजीशन ऑफ अमाइनो ग्रुप इज डिफरेंट. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड C CH3 CH3 NH2. CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड C CH3 CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड C CH3 CH3 NH2. इट इज टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल अमाइन. ये बेटा टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल अमाइन. 4 कार्बन्स आर देयर, देयरफॉर ब्यूटाइल. NH2 means amine, but amino group attach on tertiary carbon, therefore it is tertiary butyl amine. Now its IUPAC name. Now main chain contain total 3 carbon. See here. It is the main chain containing 3 carbon. Main chain में बेटा कितने कार्बन है? 3. It is the first carbon. It is the second carbon. It is the third carbon. So main chain contain 3 carbon. So alkane containing 3 carbon is called propane. E is replaced by amine. So propane amine. Amino group attach on second carbon. Therefore it is propane 2 amine. Now methyl group attach on second carbon. Therefore its IUPAC name 2 methyl propane 2 amine. 2 methyl propane 2 amine or 2 methyl amino propane. 2 methyl propane 2 amine or 2 methyl amino propane. 2 amino propane. चलिए नेक्स्ट वन, बेंजीन रिंग NH2 C6H5 NH2. Now it is aniline ANILINE aniline, or it is also called phenylamine. C6H5 means phenyl, NH2 means amine, so it is aniline or also called phenylamine. Now its IUPAC name also aniline. इसका बेटा IUPAC name aniline, or it is also called benzenamine. Benzene, it is the benzene ring. So E is replaced by amine. E को बेटा रिप्लेस करते बेटा किससे? अमाइन से. So from benzene to benzenamine. Benzene to benzenamine. So aniline or benzenamine. Common name phenylamine. Next one, NH2 single bond CH2 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 NH2. 6 carbons are there. Now it is hexamethylene diamine. 6 CH2 means hexamethylene. 2 NH2 means diamine. So hexamethylene diamine. Now its IUPAC name. 6 carbons are there, therefore hexane. 2 amino groups are there, therefore diamine. So hexane diamine. Now this first amino group attach on first carbon, second amino group attach on sixth carbon. So it is hexane 1,6 diamine. So common name of this compound is hexamethylene diamine and IUPAC name is hexane 1,6 diamine. Okay. Now next one, benzene ring NH2 CH3. Benzene ring NH2 CH3. Now commonly it is called para-toluene. Toluene से बेटा toluene. So it is para-toluene and its IUPAC name 4-methyl aniline. This much aniline. This much aniline. Now methyl group attach on fourth carbon of aniline. Therefore it is 4-methyl aniline. अब बेटा इसको और एक नाम दे सकते हैं आप, 4-methyl benzenamine. Aniline also called benzenamine. So 4-methyl benzenamine. So 4-methyl aniline बोलो या बेटा 4-methyl benzenamine बोलो. Both are correct one. Next one, 6-sided ring NH2. 6-sided ring NH2. There is no double bond. 6-sided ring NH2. It is cyclohexyl amine. Why it is called cyclohexyl? Hexane to hexyl, NH2 amine, but chain is close. Therefore it is cyclohexyl amine. Now its IUPAC name cyclohexanamine. हेक्सेन टू हेक्सेनामाइन, हेक्सेन से बेटा हेक्सेनामाइन, बट चेन इज क्लोज्ड, देयरफॉर इट इज साइक्लोहेक्सेनामाइन. ओके, चलिए लास्ट बट वन, बेंजीन रिंग NH2Br, बेंजीन रिंग NH2Br, it is para-bromoaniline, para-bromoaniline, and IUPAC name 4-bromoaniline, this much aniline. Now Br attach on fourth carbon, therefore 4-bromoaniline or 4-bromobenzenamine, 4-bromobenzenamine. एनिलीन का बेटा आईयूपीएसी नेम और एक बेंजेनामाइन, फोर्थ कार्बन कंटेन दी ब्रोमीन, देयरफॉर 4-bromobenzenamine. चल लास्ट वन, बेंजीन रिंग CH2NH2, बेंजीन रिंग CH2NH2, it is commonly called benzylamine, BENZYL, benzylamine, and its IUPAC name phenyl methenamine, this much methenamine. See here, one carbon methane, methane to methenamine. Now C6H5, it is phenyl, so it is phenyl methenamine or phenyl aminomethane, phenyl methenamine or phenyl aminomethane. So in this way, common name and IUPAC names are given to primary amine. So in today's lecture, we will stop here. Tomorrow we will study IUPAC name of secondary and tertiary amine. Right? Goodbye.